Hello all my friends. Today we are going to be opening up some M&M Minis cookies. So we've got two here. Let's take a quick look at this one. So as we can see, we've got an M&M Minis cookie. It is a vanilla cookie. Let's see, what does it say? Made with M&M Minis milk chocolate candies. 53 grams. So we see a picture of it here. Milk chocolate. We've got some nutritional information on the back here out of curiosity. So this one cookie is 240 calories. Okay, so that's the vanilla cookie. And then we have the chocolate cookie. So once again, it's made from the M&M Minis. It's 53 grams as well. Both of them are soft baked. So nice and soft. Let's see, also 240 calories. I don't think I've ever seen these. I saw these on the weekend actually for the first time ever. So I thought I'd give it a try and open it up with you. So let's start off with this vanilla cookie. Okay. Oh, I hope it looks really good. Ooh. Okay. All right, so here it is. I was worried about that. So because they're baked, the M&M Minis are baked in, they don't look as nice as if they were just put on top, but I guess that'd be kind of hard to do. Okay, so that's one. Let's put that there. And we've got the chocolate cookie. Okay, so here we go. This one looks good. It's obviously a bit less visible than the other one because it's darker. That's okay. But it looks like both of them have a good amount of M&Ms inside them. So I guess the test is to see, what do they taste like? Generally speaking, I mostly have, vanilla or traditional cookies. I don't often have chocolate cookies, but let's see. I'll try with the chocolate one first. Let me just bite off a piece. Okay, so it's very soft. It's not bad. I'm not really a fan of the chocolate flavoring of the actual cookie. The M&Ms themselves taste pretty good, obviously. And so here's a vanilla cookie. Take off a piece. Okay, I've got some good M&Ms in there. Yeah, I do like this one better. They're both pretty tasty, to be honest. I got them for $1, which is actually a really good price for a cookie. And it's pretty big too. They're both pretty big. I'll say they're 2.5, 3 inches diameter. So that's good. So yeah, so this is my review of the M&M Minis chocolate chip cookies, or the chocolate cookies, I should say. I think you should try them out. All right, thank you for watching A Fun Times. Make sure you try out my other videos, watch my other videos, and I'll see you all very soon, I'm sure. Okay, bye guys.